Hello, this is how to take apart and put together an Angry Bird Eraser Blackbird. Now he is one of the coolest birds. Now we'll start taking him apart. First, take his body and take that off. Then go to the tip of his feather on the top and take out that little yellow thing. Then take off his stomach, his beak. Now his eyebrows are not like the red bird; they're separate. So watch out. Just take them out lightly. Now you gotta make sure. Watch out about these little gray things on the eyes. You gotta make sure you slip them off really easily. Because the thing that keeps the gray thing from breaking, it's really skinny, so you need to watch out of how you take out the eye out of that. So yeah. And that is how to take it apart. Now we'll put it back together. Get your two bodies and put them together. Then get the little tip, the yellow tip, put it on his feather. Then move on to his stomach. Put that on. Then get his beak. Put that on. Now with I do it this way. That way I make it easier. But put it in his eyebrows. Make sure the big end is pointing like to the beak. That's how the eyebrows go in. But if you put it in the wrong way and you keep trying to jab it in, you will eventually break it. And that really will suck. So yeah. Got the eyebrows in. Okay, now put in the gray things. And finally get your eyes. And make sure like the flat side is pointing to the eyebrows. That way it looks good, because it looks better when the flat side is pointing to the eyebrows. So yeah, that is how to take apart and put together your Angry Bird Eraser Blackbird. Thanks for watching. Please like or subscribe.